Hello guys. Today, we will show how to use Ventoy after installation. This is the iZoo collection on my USB drive. First, open Startup menu. Then, click Restart. Click on Escape. Select Boot Manager. Click Enter. Select your USB. Click Enter again. Here we go. Now, select your operating system. Then click Enter. Select the first one dot and click Enter again. Press any button. Now, select your setting. Next, install now. Put your product key. Select what you want. Then click Next. Accept. Next. Select what you want. And complete installation.